Alright guys, I'm going to run through this pretty quick. So you just go to ups.com, um, log in the top right up here. I'm already logged in. If you guys need the login information, let me know. Monica has it also. But once you're logged in, you just click create a shipment. Most of the stuff is going to be set as default and it will be good to go. So you will need the customer's information, which you can find on Shopify, which is right here, the shipping address. I've already ran through this a couple times. Um, so company name, contact name, address, all that stuff. If you guys want to save the entry um, as a customer is going to be recurrently purchasing product, you can do so. Add the nickname, whatever you want, Carousel Construction, and then next time that you ship to them, they'll be saved in your contacts, and you can just find the contact easily with the search box. So reshipping to the same person will become less of a hassle. But go ahead and hit continue. And then this is the big part, the packaging type. You're going to want to select bucket for 15-gallon kit, which already has the dimensions. The weight is 42 pounds. And then the total identical packages, we need 3 of them. Um, so we get 3 labels. So once you have that selected and all this is correct, then you're good to go. Um, Declared value by default is 100 in UPS. If you guys want to increase that or add any of this stuff, let me know because then we need to adjust the shipping rate in Shopify. But assuming that you guys aren't going to add any of that, go ahead and click continue. All this should be good to go by default, but you can adjust anything, the pickup, the delivery type. I changed the default preferred to be UPS ground, which is 8166. If you want to see all available options, you click that arrow and you can select whatever you want. And that is actually it. You just have to go through the remainder of the steps, the details, payment, and review. Um, I'm not going to do any of that because I don't want to create a duplicate shipment, and then we're working on trying to get that cost back from UPS. Um, but that's it. It's pretty straightforward stuff. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.